bedroom, bathroom. Stuff all over the floor. Door is just a tad bit dirty. Shh, I'm in here, I'm making the video. Some Q-tips and glaze. I want to clean my ears. Yes. Some hair in the cabinet. Oh, okay. That's disgusting. This is a pure, genuine first reaction. This ugly ass. Whatever that is. Yuck.